Hey guys, wanted to talk about this high definition Wi-Fi security camera. It's by Anran, really easy to install. Here is your main security camera lens camera that it's going to be using. Here's the port that you will be connecting it to with your power outlet. And then it also gives you your nice sticky pad here, or your little sticker to show you the exact spots to drill while putting your pads and attaching them here at the top to that way provide some protection when you're going to attach it. It also comes with the hardware that is needed for installation. Really excited about this one. Just wanted to show you a little bit before we start installing.
Please power on the device.
Put camera and phone at the place of camera installation. Press next to enter network diagnosis.
Right, so easy to take on and off, easy to use on your phone. Highly recommend this one. Hope you found this review helpful.